We are located in the municipality of Meco, very near Barajas Airport in Madrid, Spain. Our installations are endowed with a surface area exceeding 20,000 square meters. The production chains, the 4 warehouses with more than 12,000 halls for pallets, and 350,000-litre capacity maceration tanks go to make up our factory. The products we make reach more than 80 countries from the 5 continents. Mixer and Pack represents the ideal blend of flexibility, commitment and quality required by the product development process, providing a service that caters for all our customers' needs. We make bulk perfumes and cosmetics, which we then pack into the bottles using various technologies. With this in mind, we have 26 packaging lines: manual, semi-automatic, vial packaging, roll-on, tubes or large formats with a high production rate. The process is carried out in a systematic, organized manner to achieve a production rate which is flexible to suit the customer's needs. This whole packaging process is carried out using the highest quality standards, and we have ISO 9001 and ISO 22716 certifications for good manufacturing practices. We strictly comply with the legal safety-related requirements. We ensure strict controls at all stages of our production process, guaranteeing top quality both during the receipt of components and during packaging. Here at Mixer and Pack, we develop the formulas for our perfumes and cosmetics. We carry out different tests, checks, microbiological, chemical and physical chemical analyses which ensure the robustness, stability, safety and effectiveness of said formulas. Once the cosmetic or perfume has already been created, we test it by using it on a group of voluntary panelists under the inspection of a dermatological expert to ensure product safety on the market. Once the laboratory has issued its approval, it is the processes department that deals with the storage and management of the raw materials, and these materials are the ones which finally enter the production process by forming part of the bulk products. Once manufactured, we carry out various checks in line with the bulk: alcoholic degree, viscousness, pH, and if all the parameters are complied with by the bulk, it is approved by process control and it is ready for packaging. However, as well as being safe, perfumery and cosmetics must also be attractive thanks to their scent, color, and packaging. In this department, we carry out the whole design of primary and secondary packaging of the product. We make sure we are always in touch with our customers, so as to be able to thereby meet their demands. Here, at the Development Engineering Department, we carry out compatibility tests on components which ensure the proper industrialization of the design to achieve a competitive quality product. Unloading is planned and managed online with our suppliers and hauliers, allowing a greater level of efficiency and control in the logistical chain processes. And finally, when the finished product has been approved, we also deal with dispatch if the customer so requests. This is the department that registers the new products in those countries where it is to be commercialized. We are also responsible for notifying any changes in products which have already been registered. We submit the registration documents to the regulatory agencies of each country, and we undertake all the procedures required to obtain and maintain the marketing authorization of products in each of them.